Is your data a chaotic mess? Fear not, because in the next 90 seconds, we'll transform you into a Google Sheets data ninja. Let's start with sorting. Select the data you want to organize, click Data in the menu, then Sort Range, choose your sort column €, say, sales amount €, and whether you want it ascending or descending, click Sort, and bam, instant order. Next up, filtering. This lets you focus on specific slices of your data again. Select your data range, click Data, then create a filter. Little funnel icons will appear at the top of each column. Click the funnel on the region column, and uncheck all regions except North. Watch as the other regions disappear, leaving only the North region data. Formulas are the heart of Google Sheets. Let's calculate the total sales in an empty cell. Type an equals sign, then sum, then select all the cells in your sales amount column. Close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Google Sheets will calculate the sum. Now, for the grand finale, pivot tables. These let you summarize and analyze data in powerful ways. Select your entire dataset, then click Data. Then Pivot Table. A new sheet will open. Drag region to the rows section and sales amount to the values section. Google Sheets automatically calculates the sum of sales for each region. Experiment with different combinations to unlock valuable insights. And there you have it, sorting, filtering, formulas, and pivot tables. Your toolkit for conquering any data challenge in Google Sheets. Now go forth and analyze.